Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on HP Pavilion 15. I'm gonna show you two ways of doing that. The first one is gonna be quicker, but the second one will give you more options. So through the first method, just find the photo you want to set as your wallpaper. So you have to download it on your PC. Then you can see I have it on the desktop, but you can also save it anywhere like your file explorer, in the downloads folder or anywhere, and then click on the photo, right click on it. Then you can click on set as desktop background. If you can't see this option, click on show more options, and then you'll see it here. Click on that, and now you can see it's set. Now let's go to settings to either adjust the photo or change it to a color or a slideshow or something else. So just go to the settings, then go to personalization and find background. Now you can just choose whether it's a picture, a solid color, a slideshow or window spotlight. I'm gonna go through all of them. And the picture will you can choose from recent pictures or choose a photo from your disk bed. We've already done that, so okay. And you can also choose a fit for your desktop image, because some images come in formats that you can see when I set it to fit, it'll look a bit different. When I set it to stretch, it will be stretched. So it just depends on the format of the picture. I'm gonna click on fill, and now let's change it to a solid color. Then you can choose the color or click on view colors to customize it yourself. I'm gonna just set it to something like that. Then you can also set it to a slideshow. So when you set it to a slideshow, you can just select the picture album, and the pictures will change every interval time. So for example 30 minutes. Then you can also set it to window spotlight, so it'll automatically choose any view of any city or anything else whenever you turn on your laptop. So I'm gonna leave it on picture, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.